Many After Effects users miss these simple tricks. Even experienced writers don't know them sometimes. I found some of these tricks recently and they made my work a lot easier. So in this video, I'm sharing 20 quick and super useful After Effects tips that will save your time and improve your workflow. Alright, assume you added some cool effects in one layer and you want to apply those effects on other layers as well. Normally, we copy and paste effects, but there is a better method for this. Select all the effects, then go to Edit and click on Copy with Property Links and simply press Ctrl V to paste. Now if you make any changes in the original layer, those changes will automatically update in all layers. Tip number 2. If you type unused in the search bar of the project panel, it will show all the files that are not used in the project. You can select and delete them, which will make your software run faster and your panel will also look clean. Similarly, if you type missing footages, it will show the missing files which you can easily relink. Tip number 3. You must have noticed many times that when you scale a logo or vector element, it becomes blurry or pixelated. There is a simple way to solve this. Click on this icon, continuously rasterize. Your problem will be solved. Tip number 4. If you also test blending modes one by one, I know it's very headache type of task. The best shortcut for this, press Shift plus is equal to and you can check all the blending modes one by one. Tip number 5. Now I have added a PNG of a fire torch. If I add the radial fast blur effect on the layer, you will see that the effect looks cut from its bounding box. This issue appears in many other effects as well. We can solve this problem by precomposing, but if you want to solve it without precomposing, then we will add the grow bounce effect. Place it at the top in the effect stack. Now when you increase its value, this bounding problem will be completely solved. Tip number 6. If I add keyframe to the position of shape layer, the path becomes curve by default. To remove the curves, select all keyframes, right click, go to keyframe interpolation and switch it to linear. When we create a new shape layer, its anchor point comes in the center of the composition. You can do it manually by selecting the anchor tool, but if you want that in every new shape layer, the anchor point should be in the center by default, then go to Preference, General and enable the option Center Anchor Point in New Shape Layer. Now the anchor point of every new shape layer will automatically stay in the center. While creating a mask, you can change its mode right in the moment by pressing the letter on the keyboard. For example, A to add, S to subtract, I to intersect, L to lighten, D to darken and F to difference. Tip number 9. Assume there is a position animation on two layers and you want to move both to the left. Create a null object, parent both layers, move the null to the desired position and then delete the null. Or you can use the Motion Tools plugin. Simply select all layers and click on the null. All objects will automatically connect through the null. Motion Tool will make your motion design journey very smooth. If you want me to explain the Motion Tools plugin deeply, then do tell me in the comments. I will create a detailed video. Tip number 10. If your timeline is full and you want to see a larger area, hover over that panel and press the tilde key, the one next to the number 1. The panel will go full screen. Press tilde key again to go back to normal view. This works on any panel. Tip number 11. Many times we have to make changes inside a pre-comp and we need to see its view in the main comp. Going inside and then coming back out again and again is a time-consuming task. We can simply solve this. First, lock the main comp. Then open the pre-comp. Simply unlock the comps layer and drag it to the side. Now you can see the changes of the pre-comp in the main comp as well. Tip number 12. If your comp duration is very long and you are going inside composition setting to shorten it manually, then you are wasting a lot of time. There is a simple solution. Select the work area, right click and click on Trim Comp to Work Area. Tip number 13. If you want to parent a layer but only want it to follow specific property, Then press Alt or Option key on Mac and click the stopwatch of the property and use the quick wipe to link it to the specific property of the layer. Now only that property will follow. For example, only rotation, not position. Tip number 14. Everyone should know this step. Want to duplicate a layer? Press Ctrl D. Want to split a layer? Ctrl plus Shift plus D. Tip number 15. If you already added scale, position, rotation, animation to an object, but now you want to add extra animation, just apply the transition effect. You will get fresh keyframe controls. Tip number 16. If you want to convert text into an editable path, select the text layer, right click, click on Create Shapes from Text. Tip number 17. You must have noticed After Effects becomes slow after working for a long time. To solve that issue, clean the disk space, go to Edit, select Purge, then select All Memory and Disk Cache. And there is another technique. Remove unused items. Go to File, select Dependencies, then click on Remove Unused Footages. Tip number 18. In a shape layer, the Fill and Stroke option have 4 modes: None, Solid Fill, Linear Gradient, and Radial Gradient. To switch between them, you don't need to click in the panel, just hold the Alt and click. The modes will automatically switch. This saves lot of time. Tip number 19. If you have animated a circle along a position path, but its movement looks uneven, select all keyframes, right click and choose Rove Across Time. This will make the keyframes evenly spaced and the motion will look smooth. Tip number 20. Photoshop files can be imported into After Effects and animated, but you can also convert their text layer into editable text. Just select the text, right click the layer and choose Convert to Editable Text. Now you can change or animate the text directly inside After Effects. If you like these tips, subscribe to my channel and you can follow me on Instagram.